the demo for the task6, which is the canary release. So in this task, I designed the following policy. So for 70% of the traffic, the proxy server will route this 70% traffic to the stable version of the software. And for the remaining 30% of the traffic will be routed to the newly version of software. And it will stop if some alert is raised. So in the redis, we store a value called alert. So right now it's null. That means our proxy server can route the traffic to the staging server. So this is our staging server. This is one product server. This is another one product server. So let's see. So because alert is null, then the proxy server can route traffic to product server and the staging server. At staging server is 30% traffic and the product server is 70. Okay, so now let's do the monitoring. Still, we want to have a stress test. Okay, so now we monitor, and now the CPU is 100% because we set 50%. If the CPU is about 50%, then it should be the alert should be raised. Let's check alert. Yes, alert right now is yes. Let's just stop here. And now let's see whether we can route to the proxy server, whether can route traffic to the staging server. No, we cannot. No, we cannot. Right? Okay. So that's it. Thank you. Thank you for watching all these demos.